Hello everyone, today is a special one because we are breaking in my brand new Savage XL 5.9. Well, the engine is brand new, the rest is used. I already did the first static break-in. I'm going to do another one, and then after that we're going to be doing the first run, where you take it easy going around in circles, and then you stay in the low to mid-range speeds and RPMs. I'm gonna do the second static break-in, and I'll get back with you. Okay everyone, I'm back. Now, I didn't do the second static break-in, so I figured let's do it together. I have everything already set up. I got my remote, fuel bottle, tool bag, adjustment screwdriver, glow igniter, and 30% nitro, 12% oil. That higher oil count, and it keeps the engine warmer, because I've heard somewhere that the higher oil content, the higher the temperature, and don't quote me on that, but that's just what I heard from somewhere. I can't remember. Well, here we go. I'm gonna set you down. Make sure you're viewing nicely. That looks good. Let's get her going. One second. All right. Electronics check. And we're golden. Okay. Bring you over here so you can hear me. We're going to be doing that for a little bit. And I'll be back with you as soon as that's done, and we can do some circles. Okay everyone, it's finally time to have a little bit of fun. Time to do this first run. Keep it in the circles in the low to mid range speeds and RPMs. Let's get to it. Bit of a high idle, but we're getting there. Hey, thanks for watching. This will be part 1 of 2 for the break-in process. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out, Nitro Gang forever.